Layton, Utah, offers beautiful landscapes and a welcoming atmosphere, but the climate can vary, with chilly winters and hot summers. As a homeowner in Layton, creating a comfortable indoor environment that makes the most of the local sunshine can significantly enhance your living space. One of the easiest and most effective ways to improve both natural light and indoor comfort is through window installation. In this article, we will explore how new window installation can bring more natural light into your home, improve comfort, and even reduce energy costs in Layton homes. Maximizing natural light for a brighter, healthier home. One of the primary benefits of installing new windows is the ability to maximize natural light. Natural light plays a critical role in creating a welcoming and vibrant living environment. The abundant sunshine in Layton means you have the perfect opportunity to bring more light into your home, which can improve both the aesthetics and health of your living space. With well-placed windows, you can significantly brighten up rooms, making them feel larger and more open. The introduction of natural light creates a sense of spaciousness, reduces the need for artificial lighting, and provides a more inviting atmosphere for your family and guests. Moreover, natural light is known to have several health benefits. Exposure to sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock, improving sleep patterns and boosting your mood. By allowing more natural light to enter your home through strategic window installation, you create an environment that supports better physical health, mental well-being, and overall comfort. Energy efficiency and temperature regulation. In Layton, where the weather can vary from freezing winters to scorching summers, keeping your home comfortable can be a challenge. One of the best ways to manage your home's temperature and energy efficiency is through high-quality window installation. Modern windows are designed to provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Double-pane or triple-pane windows are highly effective at minimizing temperature fluctuations inside your home. These windows have insulating layers between the glass panes that help to keep warm air inside during the winter and prevent hot air from entering during the summer. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, leading to lower utility bills and improved indoor comfort. In addition, low-E coatings, low-emissivity glass, are designed to reflect heat back into the home during the winter while keeping it out during the summer. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round, improving your comfort and reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Improved ventilation and fresh airflow. Properly installed windows can also improve ventilation in your home. Opening windows to let in fresh air is essential for maintaining a healthy indoor environment, but poorly designed or old windows may be difficult to open and close. When you opt for new window installation, you can select windows that are easier to operate and provide better airflow. By installing windows that open easily, you can take advantage of cool breezes during the spring and fall, reducing your reliance on air conditioning or heating. This improved ventilation not only promotes fresh air but also helps remove indoor air pollutants, such as dust, pet dander, and VOCs, volatile organic compounds, contributing to a healthier living environment. Enhancing your home's aesthetics and curb appeal. In addition to improving natural light and indoor comfort, new windows can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your Layton home. Windows are one of the most visible features of your home's exterior, and upgrading to stylish, modern windows can significantly improve curb appeal. With a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes to choose from, new windows can complement any architectural style, whether you have a traditional, modern, or contemporary home. Whether you choose casement windows, double-hung windows, or bay windows, upgrading your windows not only increases the value of your home but also makes it more attractive from the outside. A well-chosen window design can create a more harmonious look for your home and make rooms feel more open and airy, increasing their aesthetic appeal and overall livability. Reduced maintenance and improved durability. Older windows can be a hassle to maintain, often requiring constant repairs, repainting, or resealing. By opting for new window installation, you can enjoy low-maintenance windows made from durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. These materials are resistant to moisture, rotting, and warping, making them a much more durable and long-lasting option. Additionally, modern windows are designed to be easier to clean, with features like tilt-in sashes for easy access to the window panes. By installing high-quality windows, you can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your comfortable, well-lit home. Increased home value. If you're planning to sell your Layton home in the future, investing in new windows can increase your property's value. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for homes that are energy efficient, comfortable, and low maintenance. Installing new windows can give your home a significant boost in marketability, as they not only improve its appearance but also make it more appealing in terms of comfort and efficiency. Many home buyers are drawn to homes that have updated features, and new windows can make your property stand out in the competitive real estate market. Conclusion. Window installation for enhanced comfort and light in Layton homes. In Layton, where the climate can vary widely and your home's comfort is key, proper window installation offers numerous benefits. By maximizing natural light, improving energy efficiency, and enhancing ventilation, new windows can help create a more comfortable, healthy, and welcoming living environment. Plus, modern windows can increase your home's aesthetic appeal, value, and long-term durability, making it a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their living space. Whether you're seeking to reduce your energy bills, enjoy more natural light, or enhance your home's overall comfort, upgrading your windows is an easy yet impactful way to achieve these goals. If you're ready to make your home more efficient and inviting, consider professional window installation to experience the difference in your Layton home.